As an adjuster, my role can be very technical. It can be legal at times, and we're dealing with contracts. But I have to remember at all times that I'm dealing with people, and that my relationship with the insured, in my case, is usually face-to-face. And I have to always remember that they're probably going through one of the worst times of their life. I think about a claim I had at Hurricane Harvey in Texas last year, and it was an older couple, and their home was flooded, and the waters receded, and we met at their home, and we were sitting on their front porch. And I remember thinking, as we were surrounded by all the things that they had collected over the years, that they have to rebuild at this stage of their life, and that it's my job to have compassion, to have some understanding, and to provide them with not only some direction, but some hope and the tools to rebuild. So as technical as our job can be, and as efficient as we need to be, all of those things are important, but I think the key here is to remember that we're dealing with people, and that understanding and compassion are just as important as all the other parts of the job.